Hey, hi traders, good morning. This is Parthiban. Today is 4th January 2017, Wednesday. Okay, before we go for today's trading idea, I would like to discuss yesterday's trading idea. Okay, this was yesterday's trading idea. So I did update Euro USD upside retest anticipated, and then after that will break down. So let's check H1. Yeah, is it? So when I was giving the signal, it was here. So we anticipated this is a double top. Okay, we anticipated market to retest, so it did not really retest here much, but what it did give is two bar reversal. You see a two bar reversal, you could have entered a trade here, stop loss here, and market drop. Now I form a pin bar at the bottom. So basically now Euro is in the range in 1 hour. Okay, so we did this is about close to but 100 pips. Yeah, 100 pips. Okay, and pound sterling upside exposure, look for setup. So we were looking for upside setup. It's a market form a double bottom. Okay, okay, say double bottom, created a higher high, retest. There's a pin bar here. Even you set a pending order here with the stop loss here, your trade didn't trigger. They pull down further to give a indication that's going to go up. So this is a very good indication that you can place your pending buy stop trade here, stop loss over here. Okay, if at all it trigger below this, then you just remove your pending trade. Okay, that's the for pound sterling, which yesterday's trading idea. USD can look for downside breakout. Okay, since yesterday, I think we when I was giving signals was here, the market haven't break yet. It's just consolidating, so there's no reaction take place here. And Aussie USD downside exposure retesting after double top. Okay, Aussie USD. So this is double bottom. Sorry, yesterday there's a correction. Okay, if you see H4, it's a very clear double bottom. Okay, market created higher high, a retest. Market is retesting couple of times here, but there's no force for it to break higher at the moment. So let's anticipate today it will break. It's a very good setup. I don't see any confirmation. Oh, there's a confirmation here. Is it? No, not so good also. So there's no clear indication here, but the setups are here. You see, the setup is here, but there's no clear indication for us to enter the trade. So I'm not going to take the trade here. And New Zealand dollar upside correction D1 channel. New Zealand dollar still just hovering here because since this daily chart, it might take another 1.5 to 2 weeks. Okay, and gold counter trend but still bullish. Okay, I think a few of my students made a good money on gold. Say gold, what gold did yesterday on 30 minutes, form a clear double top. Okay, and this is the like market form a double top. I say double top, and then there was another double top over here, limitation, we call it limitation, and this like more like a wedge, and then broke down, retest, and the retest is form a double top, broke, and since this higher low and this higher low is higher than the previous higher low, so there was a setup here. A lot of bars, a lot of my students bought here because still gold in bullish, as what I mentioned earlier. So selling here is a counter trend, but still bullish. That's why it created a new high. you see. So still bullish, and if you focus on the 50 minutes, you can see a setup over here. Shoulder, head, shoulder broke, retest. What is this? 2 bar reversal. Enter here, stop loss over here. Good risk reward ratio. Okay, so that's for yesterday's trading idea. I think we did we discussed yesterday's trading idea. For today's trading idea, before I proceed with the trading ideas, these are risk disclaimers. Okay, today I'm going to discuss about GBP Swiss franc. Okay, on daily chart, GBP Swiss franc form a very clear price action story. It says since Brexit, it's just clear downtrend, forming a lower low, lower low, lower low. Then market found some limitation here, and then it created a higher high. So and forming another long uptrend and higher high. Overall, still it's downtrend. You see, it did not exceed above. But what the market is doing is forming a higher low, and this pin bar is quite significant, even though it's a counter trend. But this is a very strong indication that a lot of buyers entering the market, because still there's a gap over here, and this could be one of the indication that market exceeded. Market will go uptrend. Okay, so you guys can do what, wait until market to retest here, buy anywhere because market already exceeded high, and place your stop loss just below this week. This could be a long term trade, but it's even in the weekly chart, it's a very good pin bar. I feel it's a very good entry. We can anticipate market to this the first this is the first support area. Once price reach this level, I'll break even my trade, my stop loss, and I'll grow my profit. I'll give you entry price for this signal on daily chart. Okay, from today onward, I'll be giving signals, trading idea for LTC club members on a daily chart only, because I want the accuracy rate to be higher. Okay, and USD yen was the very volatile, very wild yesterday. We don't know why it rushed so high and then rushed back down. And I received a few videos this morning saying that forget USD yen and focus on USD ZAR. Why USD ZAR? Let's look at USD ZAR. There are a few price action traders in the world. They were saying that everyone got badly affected by USD yen. It was manipulated since the Bank of Japan was closed yesterday. Only there's one party, which is USD. They took some trade. I don't see anything on USD ZAR. Wow, USD ZAR actually is in the range market. I mean, you can sell, you can buy, sell, buy. Anytime when price reaches here, you can sell and place your stop loss just above the wick, the topmost highest wick, and place your stop loss below this wick, this candle. Okay, so GBP USD, I look for upside. There's a pin bar, so I'm going to write here. What setup is that? Double bottom, retest. Okay, double bottom with pin bar. USD yen. Okay, what do I see in USD yen on daily chart? I see I will be selling here and placing my stop loss here. This is a counter trend, which I see market is forming a double top, but this is not confirmed yet. So those who can observe the trade, you can sell here, place a stop loss here. If there's a, once price reach here, there's a chances for it to reverse up or break below and retest. So if at all you have sold here, it's an advantage for you to when the market bleed, you can have a very good risk reward. Or market even can bleed like this and then do correction. So USDN, I see a downside because you see the gap haven't closed yet. So you can take a position on that, but this is counter trend. The probability of winning is slightly lower. Okay, so I'm going to put it counter trend, and pin bar. Okay, and New Zealand yen, it's a quite interesting one. New Zealand yen, it moved close to 1,000 pips. Wow, 1,000 pips. And now it did a very good correction. A lot of sellers entering, they pull the price higher, and sellers, I see downside for New Zealand yen. Okay, so you can keep an eye on New Zealand yen downtrend. Look for setup, look for setup and confirmation on any time frame, even on like H4, H1. In H1 there is okay, I can put it here. This is very good. Shoulder, head, shoulder broke, first retest, second retest, drop, and this is like a 2 hour reversal, drop, and I think that'll be another retest, or they'll just pull up. Let's see the reaction, and then you can go short. Probably you can see an H4, a double top like this. Okay, let's wait for that. And then Euro USD. Basically, Euro USD at the moment stuck in a range, but it's at this form of very good engulfing. You can buy here, place your stop loss here, and probably you can close your profit, break even your trade at the center, and close 50% and let it grow up to this level. Okay, this on H4 because there's a engulfing, and you must set the entry above this engulfing. Okay, those attendant my cost, they know the buffer. You have to include the buffer, and then engulfing. And GBP USD. Okay, like what I explained earlier, there's a pin bar, very good pin bar. I'm going to place a pending trade above the pin bar, stop loss here, and my first resistance area is going to be here, very very tight. So once price reach here, I'll break even my trade and close 50%, and I'll grow my profit. Okay. What is that? It's a pin bar. Double bottom plus pin bar. Okay. USD CAD. I'm still waiting for the market to break below on H4, because you see in H1 it is in tight range, and I see like it's forming a double top. Once it's broke below, Okay, it could be two direction. Either it form like this, break below with the impulsive candle, you can sell immediately, or wait for second retest, sell here, or you can just move up with the impulsive candle, you can buy here or wait for the second retest, buy, and market will go up, this market will drop. So this is like a in the center of the direction. Okay, worth watching, but I still feel downside exposure. Wait for breakout, breakout. And how about the USD CHF? Okay, USD CHF stuck in a range. This is a very good range market. Okay, but this is quite a long wick manipulated. Probably this filled the skinny leg. Yeah, it filled the skinny leg, even this skinny leg. So it covered all the skinny leg and pulled up aggressively. I reckon at the moment market in range, you can sell anywhere here and buy anywhere here. But once price reach here, if I see a setup with the confirmation, I'll just buy and close my profit at the center and wait for the market to retest on top. I see the setup confirmation, I'll sell. I'll do until it is stuck in the range. And it's range market. Okay guys, so this is the trading ideas for today. Okay, and this the person requested to explain about Euro GBP on daily chart. Before that, let's look on weekly chart. See, on the weekly chart, market form a shoulder, head, and forming another shoulder, and there's a pin bar, a lot of sellers coming in. So this indicates the pound sell. If at all market happens like this, pound sterling is appreciating, euro is weakening. But when you look at the GBP Swiss franc, there's a sign of pound sterling appreciating. So if at all pound sterling in euro GBP appreciates in weekly chart, then we will feel the gap of Brexit. So this is on a weekly chart. So you guys got to, probably it might take about 2 months, 3 months, and this is a very good rejection. We can sell here, stop loss here, and manage our trade up to this level. But yet still there's a possibility for the market to retest to this level because it's form a double top. A very good impulsive candle with the engulfing retest. I will go short here, which is a better price, and over here probably with a small volume. I just don't want to miss the boat. I'll just take a position here. And before I end the slide, I just want to explain to you guys. Think in portfolio. Okay, what does it mean? Think in portfolio. If you guys trading, like let's say your capital is 2,000. Okay. Every day think in the portfolio, like let's say you take 5 trades. Obviously out of 5 trades, one or two will hit stop loss, or even 3. This will hit take profit. So what you got to think is, let's say your risk reward is 1 to 3. You lose, let's say a risk reward 3. Your risk per trade is $10, reward is $30. Even you hit stop loss 3, $10 loss, $10 loss, $10 loss, and you make about $60 overall in these 2 trades, you're still profitable. So think in portfolio will help you to be sustained in the industry, because with every single loss you might just discourage heavily. So if you think in a portfolio, that will help you to sustain and trade peacefully. Okay guys, thank you. That's all for today. Safe trade.